Magacaygu waa Khalid, waxaan ku noolahay Hargeysa, Somaliland. Magacaa walaal.
Magacayga waa Abdi wala ku noolaa Baydhabo, Somali. Magacayga walaal.
Magacaygu waa Cabdiraxmaan, waxaan ku noolahay Muqdisho, Soomaaliya. Magacaa walaal. Maybe you're thinking that question so much. So if you're thinking about that, the best dialect, you should know there's no best or better or bad dialect in Somali or any language. But the most important point is that will this dialect be useful? And so for that case, in Somali, we have two main dialects and different accents like Maay and Maxaa-tiri. So Maay and Maxaa-tiri are the main dialects and everything else is just accent. So Maxaa-tiri is the one we're gonna learn for this course and it's probably the most useful one and everybody understands that. And so my dialect is widely spoken in also southern of Somalia, especially by region, Baydhabo, and many other cities. So I would recommend to you never stress all of those stuff and just learn the most useful one. Because at the end of the day, every Somali person will understand you by speaking Maxaa-tiri dialect. So you should also know when I say Maxaa-tiri is widely spoken, that doesn't mean every place in Somalia has same accent. For example, at the moment filming this course, I live in Mogadishu, Somalia. So in Southern Somalia, or usually like 99 or 98% in Somalia, we speak Maxaa-tiri dialect, but the accent might be different depends on the area you live. For example, in Mogadishu, we speak Maxaa-tiri dialect, but you should also note our accent is a little bit different the accent in Northern Somalia like Hargeisa. And probably we just speak same Maxaa-tiri dialect, but the accent is different. So no problem at all, just fine, just start with this one. Now to understand and have an idea what I'm talking about, I'm going to play for you a video from Maxaa-tiri and my dialect. Then the accent of Maxaa-tiri in Northern and Southern. And so my friends helped me. So there's a guy from Hargeisa and me from Mogadishu. Then there's a guy from Baydhabo. So we all going to say together same sentence, but different dialects and accents. So now let's play this video and understand very well.
Magacaygu waa Khalid, waxaan ku noolahay Hargeysa, Somaliland. Magacaa walaal.
Magacayga waa Abdi wala ku noolaa Baydhabo, Somali. Magacayga walaal.
Magacaygu waa Cabdiraxmaan, waxaan ku noolahay Muqdisho, Soomaaliya. Magacaa walaal. In Somali language, there are 21 consonants and 5 vowels. The vowels and the consonants are separate, so that means you won't expect as the English alphabets. We have shaqal der and shaqal gab, a, e, I, o, u. Then shaqal der, a, e, I, o, u. So that sound a is like an apple, the starting of apple, a. And the sound of e is like the beginning of the sound in English, egg, e. Then the sound of o is like the beginning the word in English, okay, o. And finally, vowel u in Somali sounds like just u. Sorry about that because I don't think so there is a similar sound in English. But if you speak or familiar with Spanish, there are many words that have same or similar sound. For example, a university in Spanish is called universidad.
Universidad.
Of course, if you're able to say that, then the Somali vowel u will be very easy for you as well. And so if you master how to read, write and make sounds in Somali vowels, then you're in a good place to start and becoming a better Somali language speaker. Because we use a sound called in Arabic hamza and it sounds like a. Every Somali alphabet or vowels ends with that sound except the long vowels. For example, now if we try to read the first 3 alphabets in Somali, ba, ta, and ja, all of those ending is a. Not bah, not tah, it's ba, ta, ja. And then if we also try to read the short vowels, shaqal gab, a, e, I, o, u. The ending again is hamza, which is a. So that means if you master very well that sound a, that means you are going to learn the Somali language more faster than anybody else. Another fact in Somali language is that we don't have the letters of P, V, and Z or Z. And that's why if we're Somali, we always struggle to pronounce the letter P. I also sometimes struggle that. Not sure if I'm saying the correct way, but anyways, instead of that, you'll be expecting new alphabets and if you're familiar with Arabic language, it will be again very easy for you. And those alphabets are ha, a, kha, qa, da, and da. So no worries, I'm gonna explain you all of those in our first Somali course, and you're gonna learn them very well. I'm pretty sure about that. I guess now you have enough info about Dialect Somali, and many others will be mentioning in the course inshallah. So if you're new to here, my name is Abzi or Abzi for short, and I am a Somali online tutor. I've been teaching Somali online since 2019, and I have helped a lot of students who are based in around the world. At the moment filming this course, I have almost 110k followers across all of my social media accounts. And I have created dozens of Somali free materials on the internet. And also I have created last year a Somali course about writing and reading. Now my course is available on my website somalywithabzi.com and also on udemy.com. So with that being said, please welcome to the course. And so what are you waiting for? Enroll the course now and start your language learning journey with me. I'll be waiting you in class. Nabadgelyo!